Hello friends, this is Vikas News from Asia. Today, your favorite YouTuber. Today, I'm going to unbox Samsung Galaxy S9 sent to me by Chachu and Chachi, living in Canada. A huge thanks to them for sending me such a lovely mobile phone. I always wanted to change my mobile phone and didn't know the surprise will come in form of this mobile phone, and also to my papa. So let's open this box up and let's see what we have inside. As you can see, here is Samsung Galaxy S9 box. And let's open it up. There is a small arrow here that will help you to open this. So let's open this box up. Here is Samsung Galaxy S9. As you can see, brand new logo is written here. Let's pop this thing out. It's out. Let's open it. Here we have a pin for SIM, and here is the mobile phone. Here is the mobile phone, Samsung Galaxy S9. We have a mobile phone and it's already powered on, as you can see. So let's put it here. And we got books in 2 languages, Quick Start Guide and Samsung Mobile Care. And we have USB for charging. Headphones. Very cool looking headphones in black color, AKG is written on top of them. 4 earplugs, adapter for charging the mobile phone. Let me put everything in one place now with the box. So this was my unboxing video of Samsung Galaxy S9. I hope you enjoyed it. As I'm a gamer, so I would be playing a lot of new games on this mobile phone, especially Spart 9. Spart 8 was my favorite back in 2015 when I got a Samsung Galaxy S5. Now I'm looking pretty forward to experience with S9 as well. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on this video. Peace out.